Hello, welcome back to my channel. Euro or USD dribble at multi-years low near 0.950 amid recession fear. Focus on US Euro or USD remains sidelined after declining to the lowest level since December. Fear of Eurozone recession escalated after Russia unscheduled maintenance of Nord Stream 1 pipeline. Yields rose, equities dropped as traders feared more economic hardship ahead. Hawkish Fed bets. Preliminary reading of August S&P Global PMIs for Eurozone US will decorate calendar. Euro or USD burst take a lot of subscan to restoring a two-decade low close to 0.9925, denoted the early day by the press time as they anticipate the glimmer reading of August PMIs during the early Asian meeting on Tuesday. The significant cash pair invigorates the long-term low as the market feeling of dirt toward downturn and the Fed's animosity raised in front of the current week to level information or associates. Russia unscheduled Nord Stream 1 pipeline support disclosed a disaster for the thriving Eurozone economy in the midst of the energy emergency. The developed future as the firmer U.S. information showed the Fed's hostility. It's quite significant that Bundesbank President as well as the European Central Bank policymaker Jacim Nagel that the ECB should continue to raise loan fees regardless of whether a downturn in Germany is progressively probable, as expansion will remain awkwardly weak all throughout 2023, like with German month-to-month report from Bundesbank flagged the downturn in Germany is progressively probable, while likewise recommending that expansion will proceed to speed up and cloud top at over 10% going against the norm. German economy Mr. Robert Habeck expects a decent opportunity to traverse winter without radical energy measures. Then again, Chicago Fed National Activity Index improved in July from a downwardly recommended 0 to 5 early. Thank you. See you.